Hello everyone, this is Harsha from HCL OneTest Data. In this video, we are going to look at the error logs feature for OneTest Data. So usually, the data generation failure happens in one of the two phases. If there is a failure in the map compilation, and there could be a failure in the map execution phase. So whenever there is a failure in map compilation, user can go and download the logs to identify what was the cause of the failure. And whenever there is a failure in the map execution, then also user can go and download the logs, but you will also have an additional file called as an audit file, which will actually give you information about what was the cause for map execution to fail, so that user can troubleshoot the problem to identify what was the cause for the failure. The log files can be downloaded in the form of zip file for all the failed jobs. Okay, so I have a schema called as a bank details, which has an incorrect structure. So as you can see, I have a group item and a group, but for a group called as a branch address, this does not have any components under it. So this is an incorrect structure. So I will generate a data for this particular schema. As you can see, there was a failure. So I'll go to jobs page, the job failed. So I'll click on this icon. So we can see the job failed to compile a map. We got that error message, and then I have an option for downloading the log files as well. So I'll click on download log files. So as soon as I click on download log files, I have the zip file downloaded with the timestamp. So I'll extract the zip file. Here I can see the logs. So I'll come to the end. So I am able to see the error message in the log files. So as you can see, the branch address did not have any components or subtype under the particular group. So that was the reason for failure. So this is a scenario where the map failed to compile because of incorrect structure. Now we'll see a scenario where the map compilation is a success, but the map execution is a failure. So the map structure is a correct structure, but while executing the map, there was a failure. So I'll open the schema. So I have a structure which contains 3 item types: task ID, title, and the description. So this is a valid structure. So I'll generate a data on this schema. So I'll generate 10 rows. My connection name is sample JDBC. So as you can see, the map compilation was a success. And I'll go to jobs. I see a failure. So I'll download the jobs. So I'll download the logs files. As you can see, along with the log file, I'll also see a audit trace file. So audit trace file will be generated whenever the map execution is a failure. So I see that there was some message saying that couldn't open a connection to the database. So there was a failure in connecting to a database. Along with the failure message, audit file also gives you error codes as well. As you can see, audit return code. So this is the information that can be shared with developers for them to debug further.